Edinburgh's Royal Medical Society is the UK's oldest medical society, founded in 1737 with the aim of furthering the medical education of its members and building a community amongst medical students. Today, the RMS carries this tradition into modern medicine through hosting regular academic talks, student-led tutorials and social events throughout the year. Our premises are located in the Student Centre at Potter Row, Bristow Square. These house our offices, lounge, computer room, medical library, clinical skills resource room, lecture theatre and kitchen. Members can access these amenities 24 hours a day on weekdays and from 8 AM to midnight at weekends. These rooms can also be accessed by those with additional accessibility requirements. All you need to do is ask. We also facilitate the activities of a broad range of student medical societies and charitable organisations, as well as providing medical education through peer-to-peer teaching opportunities and a range of online exam revision resources. The Society has a long history of offering funding for members who wish to undertake research or medical placement at home or abroad. Calls for application are made periodically throughout the year. Founded over 280 years ago and remaining the only student society to have been awarded a Royal Charter for its work, the RMS has a rich and interesting past. Members have included Charles Darwin, Sir Joseph Lister and Sir James Young Simpson. Further information on our history can be found on our website and also on our RMS Heritage page, which you can find by searching @RMS Heritage on Facebook, Instagram and online.